What's up, guys? So I'm here in a parking lot. We were at a car meet and got a visitor. He came all the way from Washington State. He drove his GTR, which is right there. Got a cool graphic on the side of it in the middle. And he came all the way from Washington State and he's driving cross country in his GTR, which, good on him. I wouldn't do it just because I'd be afraid of getting stranded in the middle of nowhere. But anyway, this is Adrian.
Nice to meet you.
And this is his car. And as you know, I'm in Virginia, so he's kind of cut across the United States and then he's going to go down. He's in the military, so he's being relocated. And that's how it goes. He's just having fun in his GTR doing it. So let's take a look at his car. So here's his car. He's got the charcoal gray color. Got the N1 ducts on the front. Yeah, got the same wheels. I approve. And then, oh yeah, give me some light over here. Look at those things. Right there. That's worth more than my whole car. And then he's got this cool graphic on the side. You said your buddy hand drew this, and then...
Yeah, he owns Deadmister Designs, and anybody can look him up on Facebook. Essentially, they can just tell him what he wants and measure it.
That's cool. It's on both sides. It's cool anime stuff. It looks like a... Is this a Tomei exhaust?
It is.
Yeah, nice. And there's the other side. It's a little dark, but same graphic. That's cool. Thanks, guys. Got my lighting crew over here. You want to pop the hood so we can look at that?
Yeah, I can do that.
So this is Adrian's setup here. I'm trying to get some light. He's still on twin turbos.
Yep. So the R34 N1s or the 2660-7s,
okay,
as they're
nice.
called. It has an R34 split fire coil packs, R34 ignition harness, top secret catch can, Gretty oil coolers, Gretty radiator.
Arc.
I have a lot of stuff about to go into the car. Currently, as it sits, it's just a refreshed motor. It has N1 spline drived oil pump.
Sweet. Me too.
It has super copper mix pull. It's been push to pull converted because it's R33 long nose crank.
Nice. So you got the sweet individual piping here. That's cool.
Yep.
I like that.
So it has the big endless brakes, as you guys previously saw.
Oh yeah, those are awesome.
The BM57 master cylinder, which was a pain because you have to
down in there.
you have to take the reservoir off the old one and put it on the new one. It has the Cusco brake master, but
Ooh, demonetized.
but my favorite things are the suspension. So I have GK Tech front upper control arms, SPL tension rods.
Yeah, I can't show you that stuff. Not really. But it's got cool stuff under there.
It has essentially the same stuff in the rear, all SPL. It has -2.5 camber in the front, -1.5 in the rear.
There we go. Sorry, battery died. You were talking about your suspension.
So I also have all the SPL stuff in the rear. I still have Hikis, but it's set up and square.
Cool.
It's one of those things you just have to learn to drive with, but once you do, it's really cool.
Well, you were telling me that you are going to try and get this thing SCCA certified, so you can do all that. So that's another reason why you want to keep all that. So that's cool.
So I currently autocrossed it in Washington, but with having to move to Florida, I didn't want to risk anything.
Right.
So yeah.
It's a clean setup, and that's cool. You said you had some future plans to do some some not so normal, you know, not everyone does it type of deal? We can do some top mounts?
Yeah, I plan on doing high mount twin board warners with the full race kit.
Nice.
I also plan on going spool 2.8. I'm gonna take Sean Morris's advice and lighten as much as possible for response.
There you go.
AEM Infinity.
Okay.
But this is all gonna wait until I get to Florida, obviously.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna piece it together. I have some pieces, but I don't have the full thing yet.
That's cool, man.
A lot of ARC cooling, and I plan on rebuilding the R34 Getrag transmission I currently have for it. It's not in the car, but I have it. So
that's awesome. Yeah, I'm waiting for mine to blow up so I can have it sit in the garage for another 4 years when I save up enough money to get a transmission.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool, man.
I bought the car to race the car. I wanted a cool car, but I didn't want a street drive modulation race car.
Yeah. See, I was kind of the other way. I bought a car that was, you know, supposed to be a race car, and I made it a street car.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, this guy's got a lot of work in his suspension, and he's gonna do it the real deal. So thanks for you were down in VA Beach, so that's like 3 hours from me. He drove all the way up just to come to the car meet and stuff, so we can do this video. So
I had to see the build that inspired a lot of the things that I did.
Making me blush over here, guys.
Well, your tutorials are on point. You're one of the only people who break it down Barney style for everybody to just figure out.
Well, thanks, man. I appreciate that. I mean, I'm just a normal dude with a camera, you know, just doing stuff to my car like I normally would. I just figured might as well videotape it, help some people if they don't know how to do it. So,
very true.
You know, well, let's, I think we're gonna wrap it up here, and he wants to take a ride in old GoodeZilla. So it's probably too dark to kind of record that, but maybe I'll get some footage. We'll see. But thanks for stopping in. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too.
And whatever's next on this video.
Yes. I love that turbo flutter.
Yeah, I don't have a blow-off valve.
Well, I mean, they're not really needed because now the compressor surge
Oh, what the
is...
fuck? Did I not record? No, I guess I didn't record.
That car on the side of the road right there scared the
Me too, dude. He had his lights off. I was like,
Small left. Yeah, mine doesn't pull like that.